It starts with a swipe, a match, a conversation that feels exciting, maybe even real. But then it turns. Suddenly, you're facing threats, demands, and fear. At Blackmail Helpline, we've helped thousands of victims navigate this exact moment. And while the situation may feel overwhelming, how you respond now can change everything. Here's how to take control safely and strategically. Welcome to the Blackmail Helpline channel. We specialize in sextortion investigations and have helped thousands of victims around the world. Using our proprietary tracking technology, we've maintained a success rate exceeding 90%, stopping cybercriminals from releasing our clients' private images or information. We don't just talk about cybercrime, we stop it. Let's get started. What to do if someone is blackmailing you on Tinder? Step 1. Do not panic, pay, or delete. The most common and dangerous reaction is emotional, but panic empowers the blackmailer. Instead, do not pay. Payment almost always leads to more demands. Do not block the blackmailer. This cuts off your ability to monitor their activity and collect critical evidence. Do not delete messages, photos, or your account. All of this is legally and technically valuable for investigation. Step 2. Document the blackmail properly. Digital blackmail cases are won or lost based on how well the evidence is preserved. Use Tinder's features to collect evidence. 1. Access the chat. Open Tinder and go to the conversation with the person threatening you. 2. Screenshot the entire conversation. Start at the beginning of the chat and scroll to the most recent message. Capture usernames, timestamps, and the full sequence of interactions. Make sure to include your phone's clock in at least one screenshot for time verification. 3. Capture profile details. Tap the user's profile picture in the top left of the chat. Screenshot, name and age, bio description, job or education listed, all profile photos. 4. Download and label all media. If photos or videos were exchanged, save them to a secure folder. Use consistent file names. 5. Use screen recording. Do not delete or archive the chat. Keep all conversations intact until law enforcement or a digital forensic expert advises otherwise. How to build a chronological communication timeline. If you're being blackmailed on Tinder, building a communication timeline is one of the most important steps you can take to support a successful investigation. Here's how to do it. Create a simple document or spreadsheet. Use Google Sheets, Excel, or even a Notes app. Log each interaction in order. Include date and time, platform Tinder DM, message summary, send more or I'll leak your photos, media or files shared, screenshot file name, why it matters. This timeline helps law enforcement and cybersecurity experts identify patterns, track escalation, and take quick action. It's one of the first things our team at Blackmail Helpline reviews when helping a victim. Step 3. Report the user on Tinder. Tinder offers in-app reporting. Here's how to use it effectively. In the chat, tap the shield icon or three-dot menu in the top right. Select Report. Choose They're threatening me or blackmail or extortion. Provide a brief, specific explanation. This user threatened to release private images unless I send more content or money. Full chat logs are available. Important. Tinder does not alert the user when you report them. Your safety remains protected. What does the FBI recommend you do if someone is blackmailing you on Tinder? The FBI provides clear steps for victims of online blackmail, including cases on platforms like Tinder. Do not send money. Save and back up all messages and media. Report the incident immediately. Attach your timeline, screenshots, and media files. Step 4. Get help from Blackmail Helpline. At Blackmail Helpline, our cybersecurity team can stop the blackmail. This is our specialty. We make the criminals go away. If the material is published online, we can get it taken down. We have the expertise, intelligence, and all the resources we need to catch cybercriminals from anywhere in the world. Our highly skilled team of professionals will immediately get to work on your case. Our mission is to stop the threats, track down the criminals, and bring them to justice. We're not just a support line. We're your digital defense team. Blackmail through Tinder is shockingly common, and it's never your fault. But it's also not something you should try to handle alone. The faster you take action, the more control you regain. We're here to help you protect your privacy, your dignity, and your future. helpful resources. To learn more, check out this link, which you can click in the description below, and feel free to comment with your questions. Or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to cover more topics like this. See you in the next video.